This is your part 2 for your assessment for Unit 1, Week 3. And the comprehension skill we've been working on is sequence. In a story, events happen first, next, and last. This is called sequence. So in today's read aloud, the title is The Little Red Hen. Pay attention to what happens first in the story, what happens next, and what happens last. Get your listening ears ready. The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who found some grains of wheat. "Who will help me plant this wheat?" the little red hen asked the other animals in the barnyard. "Not I," growled the dog. "Not I," meowed the cat. "Not I," grunted the pig. "Then I will plant this wheat all by myself," clucked the little red hen. She planted the wheat, and before long it grew tall and yellow. "Who will help me cut and thresh the wheat?" the little red hen asked the animals in the barnyard. "Not I," growled the dog. "Not I," meowed the cat. "Not I," grunted the pig. "Then I will cut and thresh the wheat all by myself," cuckolded the little red hen. The little red hen cut the wheat and threshed it, and gathered it all up in a sack. Then she spoke to her friends again. "Who will help me take the wheat to the mill?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," growled the dog. "Not I," meowed the cat. "Not I," grunted the pig. "Then I will take the wheat to the mill all by myself," clucked the little red hen. She carried the sack all the way to the mill and watched the miller grind the wheat into flour. When she finally came back, the little red hen said to the others, "Who will help me mix this flour into dough so that I can make some bread?" "Not I," growled the dog. "Not I," meowed the cat. "Not I," grunted the pig. "Then I will mix the dough and bake the bread all by myself," clucked the little red hen. When the bread was baked, a delicious smell filled the barnyard. The animals gathered around the little red hen. "Who will help me eat this bread?" she asked them. "I will, roof, roof," barked the dog. "I will," purred the cat. "I will," squealed the pig. "No, you won't," said the little red hen, tying a napkin around her neck. "I planted the wheat by myself. I cut and threshed it. I took it to the mill. I mixed the dough and baked the bread all by myself. Now I will eat the bread all by myself." And that's just what she did. The little red hen ate the bread she baked all by herself. Now I want you to go back and re-listen to the story and look to see about the events in the story. What happened first, what happened next, and what happened last to help you complete the activity on the next slide.